Hello everyone, welcome to Show Me's World and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And all of you who haven't yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. So today you can see that I'm going to make this delicious one pot creamy mushroom pasta. This is a super quick and easy recipe and is simply delicious. So let's quickly get started. So this is a one pot meal, so I'm going to do the entire cooking in this pan. I've added the butter at first. Once the butter gets melted, adding the ginger and garlic, which is finely chopped. All the measurements are already there in the description box. Once the ginger and garlic gets light brown in color, I'm adding some chopped onions. I'm sauteing the onion until it turns translucent in color. Thereafter, adding red chili flakes and sour cream. Mix all of these two ingredients well together. I'm doing the cooking in low to medium flame. The cooking is almost done. Now I'm going to add the pasta. So I'm using the Farfalle pasta, or you can call it the bow tie pasta. So if you want, you can add whatever kind of pasta you want. And then I'm going to add the mushroom. They are already sliced. I've used the common white or the button mushrooms. You can add any kind of mushroom of your choice. Now stirring all of the ingredients well, then adding salt as per your taste. Saute the ingredients for another 4 to 5 minutes approximately. As this is a one pot meal, so the entire cooking is going to be done in this pan. As mentioned, now adding water. I've added around 1.5 cups of water and then closing the lid. Let this cook for 15 minutes or so. The pasta and the mushroom, it's well cooked. Now adding Parmesan cheese. I've added your shredded Parmesan cheese and some heavy whipping cream. You can also add simply milk or half and half if you want to make it low calorie. Finally, adding some red chili flakes. Mixing all the ingredients together. And this one pot pasta recipe is ready. This is one of the quickest and the easiest way to cook the recipe, and do try this recipe out and let me know how was it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell icon, and see you soon. Bye bye.